first thing you need to do is buy all your supplies. You got the supplies? No! Oh, is that the sample?
Yeah.
Alright, where's the real stuff?
Wait here a minute. Got some of that Tannerite.
There we go.
Got some aluminum powder.
There we go. How much is it all?
Tannerite, $74 for 10 pounds.
Alright. And that comes with it?
Comes with aluminum powder.
Alright.
And some...
This should do.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright.
You need a gun? A rifle?
I do need one. Can I buy one?
Yes, you could.
How much more?
This one's $900.
I think this is enough.
Maybe. Oh, thank you.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I'll take this and I'll be on my way.
The Tannerite table is the best invention we've had since the invention of Tannerite. First step, shaking.
The first thing you gotta do is put the appropriate amount of powder into the Tannerite solution.
Go.
Next step is shaking. Multiple ways to do this. Shake weight. You could dance it off. Or there's the twist. And then you're all shaken up. Putting together your Tannerite table could be very difficult for some people, but it shouldn't be too hard. You're done.
Here at AP&T, we went through a lot of processes to perfect the Tannerite table. A little further! A little further! 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 There are many uses of Tannerite, one of them being fun and recreation. And he got it! Personal uses. Everybody hit the floor! I got a ball!
I'm the boss.
Yeah, no, I got that. You said it about 400 times.
I'm the boss.
Yeah, I got it.
I'm the
There are many
boss.
uses
No, I heard you. See you
of
later.
Tannerite. One of them being fun and recreation. Personal uses. I could
Go!